the most mysterious sounds ever recorded. In 1997, underwater microphones picked up a sound so loud, it was detected across the entire Pacific Ocean. Scientists nicknamed it the bloop. At first, it was so powerful they thought it might be a massive unknown creature. In 1977, a radio telescope detected a 72-second signal coming from deep space. It was so unusual that the scientist monitoring it circled the data and wrote one word. The signal was never detected again. To this day, no confirmed natural or human source has been found. In 1991, U.S. Navy sensors recorded a long, rising sound echoing through the Pacific. They called it the upsweep. It repeated for years, slowly changing pitch, and didn't match ships, animals, or earthquakes. Scientists think it may come from underwater volcanic activity, but its exact source remains unclear.